Good morning students, I am Vaishali Hazare. I am going to teach you subject History and Civics. Lesson number 1, Sources of History. Last period we have learned about material sources and written sources. In this period we are going to learn about maps and buildings. Oral sources, in that inspirational songs, povadas, video, audio and audio-visual sources. Now, first of all, we see maps. Map is also regarded as an important source of history. The changing nature of a city or a particular location can be traced through maps. The Survey of India was an independent department established during the British period. Through scientific method of survey, they have created maps of India, various provinces of India, cities, etc. Plans designed by architects and engineers are important. It throws light on progress in architecture. The original map of Bombay Port is with the Department of Mumbai Port Trust. We get information about development of Bombay city through plans. Now, oral sources. The following sources are included in the oral source of modern period history. These are folk songs, inspirational songs, ovids, fairs, jalsa, art groups, interviews, povadas. Now, inspirational songs. During the period of freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed. At present, some of these songs are available in written form. Through these inspirational songs, we can get information about the conditions during pre-independence period and the spirit behind the freedom struggle. Now, povada. Povada is a source of getting information about a historical event or the work of a person. There are various povada composed on freedom struggle of 1857. These povadas were used to create motivation and spirit among the people. The povadas were composed based on the work of Satyashodhak Samaj and also Sanyukta Maharashtra movement. Now, video, audio and audio-visual sources. During the modern period, due to the development of technology, there was a development in the art of photography, recording, films, etc. These photographs, records or films can be used as source of history. Now, photographs. Photographs are visual source of modern Indian history. With the discovery of art of photography, photographs of various persons, events, objects, structure, places were clicked. Through these photographs, we get information of a person or an event in a visual form. This is a picture of middle period history. Here, this is a picture of Simon Go Back movement. Now, here, the picture of Satyagraha at Saudar Lake in Mahad. Some photographs of a person gives information about the dressing style of that person. Now, recording. The discovery of technique of recording was also an important as a photography. Recording is a form of audio sources of history. During modern period, the speeches of leaders or important personalities, songs, etc. are available in the form of recording. They can be used as a source of history. For example, National Anthem Jana Gana Mana sung by Rabindranath Tagore. Some speeches of Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, films. Films are considered as a unique discovery of modern technology. In the 20th century, there was a great development in the technique of filmmaking. Dadasaheb Phalke in year 1913 laid the foundation of Indian film industry. Audio-visual recording of Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement and such other historical incidents are available. Through these films, the events could be seen in reality. There are many written sources preserved in the archives, but while referring the written sources, the ideology and opinion of the author regarding the particular event needs to be examined. There is a great need of preserving these historical sources through which the rich tradition of history can be handed over to the next generation. Thank you, students.